Now, this is specifically good for the heart. Can you see the shape? Right? The heart, that's the heart. If you see something as the shape of the heart, that means that that particular leaf is good for the heart. If it's good for the lungs, it will be the shape of the lungs. If it's for the liver, it will be, it will give you the same shape of the liver, and so on and so on. Now, this is like I said, it's a fig leaf. Now, if you do about 6 cups of tea per day with the fig. In this garden, I want to explain to you just how we've laid it out. We've got a corner block, right? And the front is 40 feet, the back's 40 feet, and down the side is 60 to 70 feet, right? So on this block, we've planted 15 or so fruit trees and about 40 different herbs, right? And we're going to talk about herbs today more than anything else. Herbs are incredibly healthy for any problem like flu, heart problems, lung problems, liver problems, headaches, sleeplessness. You name the disease, there's a herb for it, right? So today we're going to cover quite a few, but for now, have a look at that. You know what that is? That is a fig leaf, okay? Fig leaf, right? You can see the shape. See, it goes in there, indents here, slowly indent. That is enough to make a cup of tea. Okay. Now the way you do it, you cut it there, you wash it, then you just bend it and you crush it inside, and you put it in a teapot. And you put boiling water on it, and you let it brew for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, 5 to 6 minutes. And what happens in that 5 to 6 minutes? There'll be a light green color in the water. It'll be very light green. That means that it's pulled the medicine out of the green chlorophyll. Okay, that is chlorophyll. It's going to pull the medicine as chlorophyll and other components, and that's going to put it in the teapot. After about 4 or 5 minutes, it would have been what it called brewed. You then pour that water with the color in it. You put the water in a teapot, in a teacup, teaspoon of honey, and then you sip that for about 10 minutes or so. Now, you can do that about every 2 or 3 hours. Now, this is specifically good for the heart. Can you see the shape? Right? The heart, that's the heart. If you see something as the shape of the heart, that means that that particular leaf is good for the heart. If it's good for the lungs, it will be the shape of the lungs. If it's for the liver, it will be, it will give you the same shape of the liver, and so on and so on. Now, this is like I said, it's a fig leaf. Now, if you do about 6 cups of tea per day with the fig leaf, after about a week, you'll be urinating much better. Your skin will improve, and it only takes about 6 of those cups of tea per day for 1 week. And then you'll be amazed how good your skin will be, right? No matter how old you get, your skin improves. 1 week of that. Now, if you do it for more than that, you get even more benefits. So that's the fig leaf. In a minute, we'll do another set of leaves, and then we'll explain the medicinal quality of those leaves.